In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import spreadsheet data into Base in Airtable. Let's get right into it. Start in your Airtable workspace with the base where you want the data to live already open. It helps to have your spreadsheet organized before you begin. Make sure the first row contains clear column headers, remove any totally empty columns, and check for mixed data types in the same column. Clean headers and consistent data will make the import smoother and help Airtable set the right field types automatically. Now, in your base, look for the Add or Import option. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it near your list of tables. Click it, and you'll see several ways to bring data into Airtable. Choose Google Sheets as your source. This tells Airtable you're pulling data directly from a spreadsheet stored in your Google account, which keeps things simple and avoids downloading and uploading files manually. Next, Airtable will prompt you to select Google Sheets account. If you've connected an account before, you can pick it from the list. If not, click Connect New Google Account. A secure sign-in window will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and grant Airtable the permissions it requests. Review the permissions carefully and make sure you're connecting the correct Google account that holds the spreadsheet you need. If your browser is logged into multiple Google accounts, double-check that you're choosing the right one to avoid hunting for the wrong file. Once your account is connected, just follow the prompts to continue importing. You'll typically select the specific spreadsheet, then the worksheet or tab inside it. Airtable will preview your data and try to detect the header row. Confirm that the first row is indeed your headers. Take a moment to review the suggested field types. Numbers as numbers, dates as dates, checkboxes where appropriate, and long text where you need more room. If you see something off, adjust the field type in the preview so your data comes in cleanly. Make sure the primary field uniquely identifies each record, often a name, an ID, or a combination that makes sense for your base. When you're ready, confirm the import and let Airtable do the rest. After it finishes, scan a few records to verify formatting, spot any stray blanks, and ensure the columns landed where you expect. If something looks wrong, it's usually faster to fix the source sheet and re-import than to clean hundreds of rows by hand. And that's it. Your Google Sheets data is now in Airtable, ready to filter, sort, and link to other tables.